Welcome to GCP Next, the premier event for Google Cloud Platform users and enthusiasts. Join us for 3 days of insightful sessions, expert speakers, and hands-on training. Discover the latest advancements and innovations in cloud computing during our keynote presentations. Learn from industry leaders as they share their experiences and best practices for building and scaling applications on GCP. Explore a wide range of breakout sessions covering topics like machine learning, data analytics, and security. Participate in interactive workshops and demos to enhance your practical skills and gain real-world experience. Network with fellow attendees, exchange ideas, and build connections with like-minded professionals in the cloud community. Engage with Google Cloud's product teams and get valuable insights into their roadmap and upcoming features. Experience the power of GCP firsthand through live demos and interactive exhibits showcasing cutting-edge technology. Get inspired by success stories from companies that have transformed their business through the use of GCP. Stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements in cloud computing, and gain a competitive edge in the industry. Make the most out of your attendance at GCP Next by participating in hands-on labs and technical workshops. Connect with experts and get your questions answered in one-on-one sessions and Q&A panels. Expand your knowledge and learn new skills through comprehensive training sessions and certifications. Take advantage of the opportunity to meet Google Cloud's partners and explore their innovative solutions. Whether you're new to GCP or an experienced user, GCP Next has something for everyone. Don't miss out on this incredible event that brings together the brightest minds in cloud computing. Register now and secure your spot at GCP Next, the ultimate gathering for GCP enthusiasts.